Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to switch your Binance from the Binance Lite to the Binance Pro, where you can see your trading and start trading on Binance at ease. Because in the Binance Pro you can start trading at ease in Binance website. It's very easy there than using the Binance Lite. So without wasting not much of your time, let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is to go to the area where this arrow is pointing at right now in the screen. Please watch the screen right now. You tap on it, then you take it to this area now. So the next thing you have to do is to click on the area where this arrow is pointing at right now, where they wrote Binance Pro. Tap on it, it will switch. It will still switch instantly to the Binance Pro. Boom, that is it. So I just have some little dollars inside there. So after that, that is it for to switch in the Binance Pro. Now you can see how to trade. You will see the market area, you see the trade area, you see the profile and the portfolio where you see your coins, the coins you have and all that. You see the gaining coins also in this Binance Pro area. You see the coins that are gaining right now. CKB is gaining also. You see the trade option also. Like you see the trade margin, see the ones that are gaining and the ones that are losing also. This is where you can start buying the coins, and start trading immediately. So that is how to do that. That is how to switch in your Binance Pro. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and share this video so that more people will have to see this video. So that is it for that. So this is how it looks like. So bye for now, see you in my next video.